Mexico is known worldwide for its warm beaches, but have you ever wondered which is the hottest place in Mexico? Before continuing, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. In a previous video, we already talked about the most extreme cities, where you could find that among the cities with more than 100,000 inhabitants, Acapulco, Guerrero is the hottest city in Mexico in winter, with its 27.1 degrees Celsius in the 3 months of the season, while that Mexicali, Baja California is the hottest city in summer with 32.6 degrees Celsius. On the other hand, the hottest city is Tehuantepec with 28.4 degrees Celsius, if we take into account the average throughout the year. But in this video, I will show you which are the places in Mexico outside of larger or medium-sized cities where it is warmer. The region where it is warmest in winter is located on the small coast of Guerrero, to the east of the city of Acapulco with 27.1 degrees in the 3 months of the season, more precisely in Bahia Dulce, near Markelia, Guerrero. This is mainly due to the fact that the equatorial countercurrent that passes through the coast of Guerrero is protected by the Sierra Madre del Sur from the cold northern winds, and it is in the valley that surrounds the Sweet Bay where the hot temperatures achieve a special place where shelter in winter. The hottest place in all of Mexico in summer is located in the middle of the desert in Laguna Salada, Baja California. It has that record with 33.6 degrees Celsius in the 3 summer months. It should be noted that Laguna Salada is the lowest point in Mexico, with less than 12 meters below sea level, which contributes to these temperatures. Can you say that this is the hottest point in Mexico? Well, we must emphasize that we are only talking about summer. Fortunately for those who live in this place, the temperatures drop as winter approaches to about 14 degrees Celsius in January, which gives us an average temperature of about 24.5 degrees Celsius. Speaking of the temperature record, highest in Mexico, this is found in the city of San Luis Rio Colorado, Sonora, with 52.5 degrees Celsius recorded on June 15, 1966. Can you imagine what you would do with a temperature like that at noon? Now, if your thing is to live in the hottest place in Mexico, there is no better place than the never wrongly called Tierra Caliente region in Michoacán and Guerrero. In the deepest part of the depression of the Balsas, it has a dam that dominates the region called Infernillo. With this name, you can imagine the temperatures in this region, both in summer and winter. This region is influenced by the aforementioned equatorial countercurrent that bathes the Mexican South Pacific, but at the same time it is protected by the mountain ranges of the Sierra Madre del Sur and the volcanic axis. This region has few winds that can disperse the hot air, so it is concentrated as if it were a cooking pot. The San Jeronimo station in the municipality of Huetamo, Michoacán, has the highest average annual temperature in the entire country, with 29.9 degrees Celsius throughout the year. Despite having a semi-arid climate, its vegetation is lush in its own way. And if in some way the landscape you see in the images reminds you of an African savanna, it is because the temperatures are similar to those found in the African Sahel, which is the transition zone between the Sahara and the jungles of Central Africa. Even the African capitals of Djibouti and Khartoum in Sudan have similar temperatures. This place also holds the title of the hottest place on the American continent when it comes to annual temperatures. The ironic thing about this place is that the water from the melting of mountains such as Popocatépetl, Nevado de Toluca, or Malinche flows through the Balsas River. Without a doubt, this region of Mexico is a little discovered gem in the country, and also has the attraction of its dam waters. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our future videos. See you later.